Everyone, today I'm back with another tutorial, and this is going to be for these crocheted coasters I've been making. They're really cute, I guess Christmassy ones, like a peppermint was what I'm calling it. Yeah, so I've made this out of the wool that I picked up from Hobbycraft. You could do other colours if you wanted to do other colours. I'm most probably going to do this size. I have made a larger one, slightly larger. And you just, to make the larger one, all you do is do extra rounds. I think this is about 9. Is this 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6. This might be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, this is 9. So that's doing 6 rounds. Just repeating the process, and this is 9. You could do really large ones if you wanted for like you know, like dinner plate, that kind of thing. I thought these would be good if you were doing, obviously, not having sort of people over for Christmas kind of this year, but for your own family you could do little placemats kind of thing. Yeah, you could put a bauble with their name on it on here, or you could even get a mug with their initials on and have that on like a dinner play set kind of thing. So that was a cute idea. So yeah, so I'm going to do a tutorial and show you how to put these together. I've made various different ones in sizes and stuff, but so you're going to need 2 different coloured wools for this project. And you're also going to need a crochet hook. So you just need to do a loop on your crochet hook. Yeah, so just a standard like a magic loop. I wrap mine around my finger, cross one over, cross the other one over, put it on. That's how I do mine. Yeah, so you just need a magic hoop. You're then going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're then going to slip stitch that into the first chain that you made, and you're going to do a slip stitch. You're then going to make that as a sort of hoop, so you go to the center. Sorry guys, I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame for this as well. Let's move that out of the way. So you're going to go into the center. You're then going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to hold this tail end around, and you're going to work that into your work, and then you're going to do 9 half double crochets into the center of this hoop. So you go in, you grab the yarn, you pull through, you have 2 hoops on the hook, and you take those 2 off, so that becomes 1. You can do this 9 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just move it around a little bit. 9. So once you've done all 9, you're then going to go to that first chain 2 that you did, and you're going to do a slip stitch into the top one. Is that in frame? So you're just going to slip stitch, so you pull it through both. So that finishes off that round, and then I pull that one now, which tightens the middle. And then you can work that tail into your work later on. So you can close the middle like so. You're then going to chain 2. And this time round, you're going to do 1/2 double crochet into the first chain, which this one's attached to. So you're going to put it through, pull it through, pull it through those two, and then each chain all the way round you're going to do 2 half double crochets in all those. So you're going to go in that one, pull it through, and then go back in that one and do another one, and then move on to the next one. So this one you're going to go in one, and now back in that hole and do another one, and then so on. So I'm trying to make sure I'm in frame while I'm doing it. So 1, 2, and then the next one, 1, 2. So what you're doing is kind of increasing your stitching. And then next one, 1, 2. Hold on, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I just had a delivery. Yeah, I just ordered a few bits off New Look, so they've just come. Right, so what was I saying? So yeah, so you're going to do 2 half double crochets. So in this one, 2 in there, and then you've got your chain 2 there, and you're going to slip stitch in the top, chain 2 there. So that's your first round. Then for your second round you're going to chain 2, and you are going to do the exact same. So you are going to do increasing all the way round again. So you're going to do half double crochet in that one, and in the next one you're going to do 2, I find it quite hard doing it on the camera, just to make sure I'm on frame. I am trying to go as slow as I can as well. Yeah, just doing half double crochets, 2 of those in every chain. Just doing that one. If you get the hang of it, it goes quite quickly. I think we come up to the last one. So, oh no, a bit more to go. can put a marker if you wanted to, so you know where you started. If you wanted to, you can just forward the video to the next stage, but I'm just kind of showing people that ain't necessary. Been, you know, crocheting for long, how process. Get this last one, 2 in there. Right, then you're back with the chain 2 here, so you're just going to slip stitch into that top one. Right, and you see now it's starting to sort of like be a bit sort of wonky, like ruffled kind of thing. So depending on how flat you want yours or ruffled you want yours, so what I do sometimes, so all you're doing is kind of increasing. But if you want, see these ruffles, if you wanted that more, then you'd do each round increasing. A bit like this one's really ruffled. So you'd increase each round, you'd do half double crochet in each one. What I do, you do 2, sorry. But if you wanted it a bit more flatter, like this one, what you can do some rounds is not do 2, you just do 1. So instead of doing 2 in each chain, you just do 1. So it makes it larger, but it's not increasing each round. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, so you're going to carry on increasing each round, and you are going to do that depending on how big. So if you want it this sort of size, you're going to do 6, and then if you want it larger size, for this sort of size, you're going to do 9 rounds, and it's just repeating, that's all it is. So I'm going to meet you back, and I'm going to show you how to do the edging on this. So I'll meet you back there.